everyone, welcome back to Basma Play School, Kusum, Bihar. So from today we are going to start our new class, and in this class we will learn how to write small alphabet. The first session of this class, and in this session we will learn our first 4 letters of alphabets, that is small A, B, C, D. So in each session we will learn 4 alphabets. Then it can be easy for you to write and learn. So now let's start from A, and after that we will learn how to write B and then C and then D. So let's start. So first of all, it is very much important to know the pattern of A, because before writing any letter you need to know the pattern of that. So first of all, we need to make a big circle like that. Okay, so I am making a big small A here for recognizing you, then you will be able to know properly. Okay, so first we have to make one circle, and from the top side of the circle we will make a curve type of shape like that. Okay, so this type we will make small a. Let's see one more time. First we have to make a circle, what we call circle oval, and after that from the top side of the circle we'll make a tail, and then we'll be able to write small a. Kids have to do overwrite of it. They will overwrite on this A many times on both of them, then they will be able to recognize the pattern of small a. After knowing the pattern of small a, now it's time to learn how to write a small a in these 4 lines. So let's see. So when you are going to write a small a, then you have to always follow these 2 lines. These are between this line. Okay, so first of all we start from this line, yani ki second line, and we'll make a small circle type shape. Okay, after that from this point, yani from top of the point of the circle we'll make a curve like that. Okay, so by following this method we will be able to know then how can we write small a very easily. Always you write between these 2 lines. Okay, it is very easy to write small a. First we'll make a circle like that, and from the top part of the circle we'll make one curve like that. One more time, let's see. This is circle. After that from the top of this circle we'll make a curve like that. You can do practice many times. Circle, curve, and you must be careful, then you should never write between above this line and never write down this line. If you will write like that, then it can be wrong. So always follow 2 lines. Okay, by following these all steps we can make small a very easily. First we have to make one circle, then one curve. One more time, one circle. So after writing A, now let's move to the next letter, that is B. Okay, so let's see how can we write B. So first of all we need to know a pattern of B. So for B you have to make one standing line from bottom to down like that, and from down part, from this part you have to make one curve. Okay, like that. One more time we'll see. First you have to make one standing line, and from the down section of this line we'll make a curve. Okay, and by following this step we can make B easily. One more time we'll see. First we'll make one standing line, and after that we'll make one curve by starting the down part of this standing line. Okay, so this is a small b, and after knowing the pattern of small b, now it's time to know how can we write b in these 4 lines. Okay, so let's see how can we write b. So first of all, when we were writing a, that time we were following only 2 lines. Okay, as you can see we have written all the a's in 2 lines between. But when we will start to write small b, then we have to follow 3 lines. Okay, 1, 2, 3, I have given two dots. First dot in first line and second dot in third line. So first of all, we have to make one standing line by joining this dots. Okay. After that, from down section, we'll make one curve. Okay. One more time we'll see. First, I have given two dots. After that, we have to join these both dots together, and after that, from down section, we'll make one curve. Okay. Again, we see. First of all, we'll make one standing line. From down section, we'll make one curve. One more time, let's see. Standing line. From down section, you have to make. So now we have learned small a and small b. So after b, next letter comes, that's name is C. You already know. So let's see how can we write C. So first of all, we need to know the pattern of C. Many of students know because they already know how to write capital C, and small c are quite similar to capital C, but its size will be small. So first of all, we need to know the pattern. Its pattern is similar to capital C. Okay, we have to make one curve like that. Okay, and its second part will be open, then it can be a curve. Okay, so now let's see how can we write this C in these lines. So as we have written A between two lines, this line and this line, so like A, we will write C between these two lines by joining this dot. That's why I have given two dots, then you can recognize the lines. After that, we'll make a C. Let's see how can we make. So first of all, we'll start from here and this. Again, let's see. If I'll give three dots here, then you can make C easily. You can make C by using these three dots. Okay, as you have looked at, it is quite similar to capital C. Difference are there that that is big in size and this is small in size. Okay, after C, next letter comes, that's name is D. You already know. So let's see how can we write D. So first of all, we need to make a circle. Okay, and after that we'll make one standing line by joining this. After that, from the back side of this standing line, we'll make one tail. Okay, it is very easy. You can also make like that. Will not drop your pencil while you are writing, and by following this step you can make D very easily. Circle, standing line and one tail. One more time. Circle, standing line and one. The pattern of D. Now it's time to learn how can we write D in these three lines. So like B, D is also written in three lines, first to third. Okay, like that. So first of all, what we need to make? We need to make one circle, and then by joining these dots, we'll make one standing line and then like that. One more time, let's see. Circle, standing line and then tail. Circle, standing line, tail. Circle, standing line, tail. Circle, standing. While you're writing D, you must be careful. Then you should not go outside of this first line, and you should not go downside of this third line. So first of all, we need to make one circle, then one standing line and then one curve. Circle, standing line, curve. Circle, standing line, curve. Circle, standing line, curve. Circle, standing line, curve. So in this session we learned 4 letters: A, B, C, D. So these are those 4 letters about which we studied in this session. So in this session we learned about A to D. Hoping you all have done practice very well of A to D. So see you in next session with next 4 letters. Till then, bye bye, take care.